Is Riya Chakravarti going to jail? Let's find out in this video. Hello there, welcome to Folk Buzz. After the tragic incident that took place on the 14th of June in Bandra, Mumbai, many big names and their dark secrets are coming out in the people. Many media houses are covering this issue so much that even single details are captured. And based on that details, slowly the truths are coming forward one way or another. Lately, Riya Chakravarti's name is frequently coming regarding the case of late Sushant Singh Rajput. Riya Chakravarti was the rumored girlfriend of Sushant Singh Rajput, and lately Riya is badly surrounded by the facts and various statements of the family of Sushant Singh Rajput. Not only his family, but his relatives and multiple media persons are continually updating this issue. According to multiple reports, Sushant's father filed a case against his son's girlfriend, Riya Chakravarti, for many topics. He registered FIR in different IPC sections, including theft, money laundering, abetment to suicide, and much more. This FIR was filed in Bihar, Patna. According to Sushant's father, Riya and her family had planned a conspiracy to put Sushant in depression. And a massive amount of money has been taken out from Sushant's bank account for Riya Chakravarti and her family members' various expenses. KK Singh has also suspected Riya for missing 15 crore rupees from Sushant's bank account. And Bihar police is already working for this case, and various facts are already enough to highlight Riya for using considerable amount of Sushant's money. Looking forward to these findings, ED or Directorate of Enforcement has also registered a case of PMLA or Prevention of Money Laundering Act against the Bollywood actress Riya Chakravarti. Following this act, Riya has also issued a video statement where she stated that she had been badly in pressure due to the electronic media and false rumors. Let's have a look at it.
I have immense faith in God and the judiciary. I believe that I will get justice. Even though a lot of horrible things are being said about me in the electronic media, I refrain from commenting on the advice of my lawyers, as the matter is sub judice. Satyam Jayate, the truth shall prevail.
Lately, there have been various verdicts that have been coming in highlight. Recently, on a sting operation conducted by the Republic TV, Sushant's trainer has revealed that Riya has been giving various medicine to Sushant, and according to him, some were not prescribed by the doctors, and Riya never let him know about the medication too, and he thinks there is some fishy. What do you think about the medicine that Riya gave to Sushant? Do you believe that she used the right medication? What do you think? Please write in the comment section down below. Also make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.